Thank you, Nikita. A very good afternoon, good morning to all of you. Nashta nahi kiya? Good morning, everyone. I have removed my mask because it's a bit difficult. I mean, hats off to the teachers who are wearing mask and teaching. But I'm not able to do that since I'm maintaining a distance from all of you. So I've removed the mask for the time being. Otherwise, almost 8-9 hours in a day, I'm with the mask when I'm checking patients. Okay, so today we are here. We'll be speaking in all the languages. Okay, and be comfortable because today we are going to break the silence about menstruation. आज हम लोग जैसा आपके before I start with the topic, I would like to thank the teachers management for having this program and calling all of you because these days it's become a difficult task because the teachers and management are not very sure सबको बुलाना है नहीं बुलाना है बुलाएंगे तो भी problem है नहीं बुलाएंगे तो भी problem है. So in this dilemma you have organized a good gathering. So thank you very much. I'm sorry for the delay. I was a little stuck up in the traffic. So we'll quickly start with the topic. And today we are going to talk about menstrual hygiene management. Menses मतलब क्या? We are all girls of 9 and 10 standard. 8 standard से कौन आता? 8 standard ना. So 9 standard, all of us have started our periods. Okay. So menses means periods. Okay. We are going to talk about hygiene. Hygiene म्हणजे किती? स्वच्छता. So now with COVID. Swachhata, we are like following to the peak of, so we will talk a little bit about hygiene and management. Moreover, okay, we are going to break the silence about menstruation and we are going to remove all the negativity. जितना भी negativity है ये period एक word के बारे में जो है period वो सारा कुछ negativity हम लोग निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, and yes, I would be very happy if all of you talk. So just raise your hand. Any language is okay, but I want each and every girl from this session to speak. If not one sentence, at least one word. Okay? ये कोई biology class नहीं है, ये कोई moral science class नहीं है, ये कोई religion का class नहीं है. So I just want you to speak what is there in your mind, what is there in your heart. Agreed? Okay, so we'll start the session. अगर तुम लोग चुप बैठे तो I will go. So I want you all to speak. Okay, so first question. What is period? Menses मतलब क्या? So quickly we will start. Anyone? I don't want any biology explanation. Just simple explanation. Okay, what is period? Menses मतलब क्या? एक word. Anyone ready with the answer? एक word. Just one word. One sentence, one word. What is menses? As I said, we are here to break the silence. क्या हम लोग periods के बारे में ऐसे openly बात करते हैं? आम्ही कशी बोलतो? माझी period आज मला युपक मिळते ना. Do we announce now? जेवढा होते ना की माझी period असं असे आम्ही केव्हा बोलता ना. किया आमका पहिलीच्यान सांगला की period means something dirty, something unhygienic, something that is not nice that is happening in your body, something impure, नापाक, अशुद्ध. हमको पहले से बोला गया है. And now that we are science students, we know that menses or periods is something that is happening in each and every in the body or so each and every hello okay. So when we are saying that periods is something that is natural happening to each and every lady in the universe, तरी आम्ही म्हणता की period is something dirty in some. If it was something dirty, it was something impure. Okay. Then, and if it is something natural, if that this is something natural, how can it be so impure? So we are here to remove all the myths, all the misconceptions about the periods. Okay. So we are all ready. Are we ready to break all those negativity, all the stigma that is associated with periods? Ready? होय की ना? Okay. So now tell me, period म्हणजे किती? So if you have a sister who is in 4th standard, 5th standard, you have your juniors now. So 10th standard girls will all go away. But what about 9th standard girls? 9th standard girls have this responsibility of educating, taking this message to the younger generation. Okay? So this message has to go to the younger generation that period म्हणजे it is a beautiful process that is happening to each and every woman, each and every girl, and there is nothing shameful, there is nothing dirty about this process. So I want the 9th. Where are the 9th standard girls? Just raise your hands. 9th standard, 9th standard. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so 9th standard girls, I want you to answer this. Okay, so तुमची कोण बहीण आसा, क्रिस्तान आसा, कोण फ्रेंड आसा, नेबर आसा, सो ते तुमकां येऊन विचारतले दीदी पिरियड म्हणजे कितें. सो वॉट विल यू से, कशें सांगतली तुमी. सिंपल वर्ड्स, बायोलॉजी तुजे लेसन आनी ते रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टम बी सायडीक घेवन आनी बेस्ट सिंपल वर्डान सांग पिरियड म्हणजे कितें. हू विल टेल? Who will tell? I don't want to target the first line. बेचारे पहले ही फर्स्ट लाइन में बैठ के वो लोग इतना कॉन्शियस हो रही है और मैं फर्स्ट लाइन कोई क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी तो सो पीछे वाले just one sentence. How will you explain? This is not just a lecture. This is like a workshop which will train you to talk to the next generation, to talk to your younger sisters, younger cousin sisters, and also a training session for the teachers to talk about menstrual hygiene. No? You all want me to go? Okay, then randomly I will ask someone. 9th standard, somebody raised, no? Okay, anyone in this row, 9th standard, just stand up and tell. You will say, period manje kire. Period manje kire. Oh my god, teachers are really disappointed with you all, huh? Period manje kire. Just simple word. Hindi, English, Konkani, Marathi, Kannada, any language. One sentence. No discussing. Hello? No discussing. If you have to talk to me. You cannot talk to your friends. No? Okay, I will randomly call out one roll number and that you all don't have a choice. You all have to say. Okay, 9th standard roll number 4. You? Now. 9th standard roll number 4 now. No? 4 is a boy? Okay, division. 9th A division, roll number 4. B division, roll number 4. Okay, now teacher will have to tell me. Teacher, you ask somebody to just, anyone, any girl from 9th standard. Flowing of blood. Very good. Now we will collect all the answers from everyone and we will make one answer. Fantastic. Give a big hand to, what's your name? Nishita, she gave me the rose. Okay, give big hand to Nishita. Flowing of blood. Okay, from where does the blood flow? Suppose आम्ही सांगला 5वीच्या भुरग्याक सांगला. चल. Why? Period म्हणजे blood flow जातले. Okay, so she say खंयच्यान जातले flow दीदी? What will you say? What will you say? किती सांगतली तू? Blood खंयच्यान येतले? How will you tell your sister? You can't laugh at her, no? Huh? Okay, stand up and tell me. Okay, so how will you tell her? So she will say that why it comes somewhere from the toilet area. You say toilet म्हणजे कितें? खंयच्यान येतले? Blood. कित्याक येता? Okay, what will you tell your sister? कित्याक येता blood? खंयच्यान येता? केन्ना येता? So you have to be fast. Okay, so whatever you know about, all of us get a periods, no? So whatever you know about periods, just go on talking. Okay? मागीर कितें जाता? See, we are not here to, we can have fun, we can laugh. Okay, but after laughing, we have to be prepared with just one sentence, one word. Just like the way she didn't know, she was the second number to talk, and it's very difficult, not easy to talk. So she laughed first, and then she knew what she had to talk. Okay, so you laugh, and then you tell what you have to tell. Very good. Sit. So now we are remembering everything that is associated with period. So she'll tell the sister, why पिवपाची गरज ना. Period जाता तेन्ना रगत येता, पोटान दुखता, रगत खंयच्यान येता, somewhere from the down, because still we don't know what to call those parts of the body. Okay, we know, but we are a little hesitant to say from where it is coming. Okay, so now she will help us. What's your name?
हाँ, so Ishrat will help us and tell us कि दीदी blood कहाँ से आता है. Didi is saying main part. Okay, now we have 10th standard girls who have already studied रट्टा मार चुके हैं female reproductive system के बारे में. ठीक है? तो okay. So she will tell us कि और क्या होता है. Blood. She told no by pota duktale and blood will come from the main part. Ishrat said blood comes from somewhere from the main part. Then she'll say the main part मुझे किधर है? One sentence. It may be related, it may not be related. Very good. I will repeat your answer. Very good. Thank you. What's your name? Nazneen. So Nazneen also said that why blood will come from the urine area. Now we will read a little more. We'll go through the presentation and we'll find out whether blood is coming from the urine, from the main part. So what is the urine part? What is the main part? Where it is? Exactly from where it is coming. Okay? Anybody else wants to say something? We said pain जाता, पोटान दुखता, blood comes from the main part. Okay, what else is happening during periods? आणि किती जाता? Does it come every day? No. So how often periods come? केना येता period? Okay, so period is a blood flow that happens only once in a month. How many days? 5 days. So anything between 2 days, 4 days, 3 days, 5 days, okay, bleeding happens. Kenna starts at the period? At age. Now everybody is talking, I'm so happy. 12. So periods can start, yes, somebody saying 13, 14. So periods starts for a girl at any age between the age of, say, average is 12, okay, but it can start as early as 9, 10 also. But average is around 11, 12, 13. Okay, and what do you think? Till when this period goes on and on and on? At what age? First line, always smart people. Okay, smart people. कितने वर्षापर्यंत period होता असे दिसता तुका? Fantastic. See, first benchers are always smart. Up to 45, 48, up to 55. Okay, and the period stops. It is about to stop. We call it as a menopause period. When the period starts, we call it as menarche. Now we are also learning new words. Okay, so what happens is when we use the correct words, the correct biological terms, we do not feel shy. जब हम लोग correct biological word use करेंगे हमको शर्म नहीं आएगी. जब हमको शर्म नहीं आएगी तो दूसरे को भी शर्म नहीं आएगी. ठीक है? Otherwise you only laugh, my God, मुताचे भागनी और share. If I start smiling and laughing, then you will laugh more. If I keep a straight face and say, okay, this part of the body is called urethra. This part of the body is called uterus. When I am giving the correct name, I will not feel shy and I will not make you feel embarrassed. Okay? Clear now? Okay. Now let us see what is the small definition. So we don't have to go all these details. The same thing what you have said. Period starts when the girl hits the puberty. Okay? In the adolescent period, what happens? By the age of 10, 11, there are a lot of changes that are happening on the body, and so the process of menstrual cycle starts. Okay, so once in a month, some girls have a cycle of 28 days, some girls have a cycle of 39 days. मतलब हर 40 दिन में किसी को अगर पीरियड आता है वो भी नॉर्मल है, अगर हर 23 डेज को आता है वो भी नॉर्मल है. Initially it's a little irregular, after that it becomes Ishrat must have felt scared also, she must have felt disgusted also, she must have got tensed also. You can raise hands for everything. How many of you feel excited? Yay, period आ गया, yes, period आ गया. नहीं, क्यों? Period तो आने ही वाला था. समझो अगर किसी का पीरियड नहीं आता है till the age of 18, 20, क्या होगा? तुम्हारी मम्मी गोवा के हर डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक में तुमको जाके दिखाएगी. Periods का नहीं आया, सर 20 साल की उम्र हो गई अभी तक पीरियड नहीं आया. So when we are saying it is normal, it has to happen. Why are we not excited that yes, I am normal and it has happened? The process of period has happened to me. Why? Because of the negativity that it has been implanted in our minds from one generation to the other, and we are passing on to the next generation. Okay, हम लोग तो it is our duty to cut this chain of negativity and portray the word period as a very positive thing. ठीक है, तो next, maybe after a few years, we want this graph to be opposite. We want maximum number of girls to say, period finally has come, now I'm okay. Okay, we want maximum number of girls to say, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लगा लेकिन मैं डरी नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे सब मालूम था पीरियड क्या है. मुझे मालूम था कि 3 दिन ब्लीडिंग होगा, 4 दिन ब्लीडिंग होगा, उसके बाद बंद हो जाएगा. वी वांट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स टू से कि हाँ थोड़ा सा दर्द हुआ, थोड़ा ये हुआ, लेकिन मैं ठीक थी. Okay, we want maximum number of girls to say that, and it is the responsibility of all of you to take it from here. 9th standard girls सिखाएंगे 8, 7, 6, 5th standard girls को कि पीरियड मतलब वेलकम पीरियड्स विद अ स्माइल, पीरियड मतलब डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. 10th standard girls, तुम लोग अपने फैमिली में अपने कजन सिस्टर्स को, अपने बहनों को ये मैसेज दोगे कि period is something that is very beautiful, that we are only girls, only women are given this opportunity of having periods, and you don't have to feel ashamed about it. Is that clear? बस बाकी कुछ याद नहीं रखा ये सेशन का तो भी चलेगा. Just remember this one particular sentence. Okay, so we go back to the presentation. So last time I did a session with boys and girls together. तो आई वॉन्टेड टू इन्वॉल्व द बॉयज, इसीलिए मैंने ये वाला स्लाइड इसमें डाला था. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी टू, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई हैव डन दिस सेशन ओनली व्हेन गर्ल्स वर देयर. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट द बॉयज टुक इट वेरी वेल, बिकॉज सेंसिटाइजिंग द बॉयज, trying to explain to the boys what's happening in a girl's body was very important, and the message went across very well. So I was very happy. Okay, so हम लोग 5th में थे तो कैसे दिख रहे थे? We were looking like that first diagram. Okay, then what happened? Lot of changes started happening in our bodies. How the changes happened? Because of 2 particular hormones. Okay, that is the estrogen. So what does estrogen do? Is that it changes, it causes lot of changes in our body. That is external changes and internal changes. Okay, what are the external changes that is happening in a girl's body? Okay, development of secondary sexual characters. Okay, so first of all, what happens? Development of breast. Fat deposition starts around the breast area. Then fat deposition around the thigh area. Fat deposition around the hip area. उसके बाद we get a kind of appearance of hourglass appearance. पहले हम लोग ऐसे straight थे. Then we get a nice shape to our body. Okay. Then there is hair growth. Where does the hair grow? In the armpit region and the groin region. Now we are all biology students, so we will not call it as main part and private part. We will call this part as the groin or the pelvic part. Okay, so there is hair growth in the pelvic part and there is hair growth in the armpit, and also our voice also changes slightly. Okay, it becomes shrill. पहले कैसे एकदम बचपना छोटे बच्चों के जैसा आवाज था, बाद में थोड़ा सा श्रिल और मधुर आवाज हो जाता है. ठीक है. Now, yes. Now we will a little bit get back to your biology classes, your chapter on female reproductive system. So we are answering this question कि what is periods, blood कहाँ से आता है, फिर कहाँ से कहाँ जाता है. If we say कि urine से blood आएगा, may not be correct. If we say, because that is what we have heard ना, पेशाब की जगह से खून आएगा तो उसको पीरियड बोलते हैं, संडास की जगह से. So let's not confuse. Okay, period means पेशाब की जगह से नहीं आता है. Period means संडास की जगह से खून नहीं आता है. Okay, so for that we will understand what are the different parts of the female reproductive system. Okay, so this is the uterus. Okay, all of you remember. Okay. Then these are the ovaries. This is the right ovary and the left ovary. Okay, the mouth of the uterus is called as mouth of the uterus is called as cervix, and outlet of the uterus is called as the vagina. A lot of times we are not comfortable saying the word vagina. Okay, so the blood doesn't come out from the urine urinary outlet, it comes from the vagina. Okay, so in female reproductive system, there are three orifices. Okay, one is the urethra, from where the urine comes out. एक है पेशाब का जगह, पेशाब का रास्ता. Second is the vagina, from where the menstrual blood comes out of the body. Okay, so next time when you are educating the girls, you are not going to say कि bathroom से पेशाब की जगह से आता है. You will say यूट्रस से ब्लड आता है और वो वजाइनल ओरिफाइस, वजाइना नाम का एक ओरिफाइस रहता है, वहां से ब्लड बाहर आता है. ओके, देन अदर्स इफ शी गोज एंड टेल्स हर मदर कि मुझे पेशाब में से खून आ रहा है, और मे बी मदर विल स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज पीरियड, बट समबडी एल्स मे नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. देन द थर्ड ओरिफाइस इज द रेक्टल ओपनिंग. ठीक है, फ्रॉम वेयर द मोशंस कम आउट. Now, what exactly happens in our body? Periods क्यों होते हैं और कैसे होते हैं? Have you seen a bird making a nest? कैसे बनाता है? पंछी nest कैसे बनाता है? कौशे करता है nest? हाँ. Yes, you are ready to answer. Thank you. हाँ, एक तिनका इधर उधर से twigs लेता है और इकट्ठा करता है. कैसे ऐसा स्क्वायर बिल्डिंग बनाता है पंछी? नहीं, कैसा बनाता है? राउंड ऐसा, गोल जैसा. हाँ, वो गोल ऐसा कैसा रहता है? कप के जैसा, ऐसा कुशन जैसा बनाता है. ओके, सो सिमिलर प्रोसेस इज हैपनिंग इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, अ नाइस कुशन ऑफ ब्लड इज फॉर्म इनसाइड द यूट्रस. ओके, इन एंटिसिपेशन ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो. हाँ, एम्ब्रियो होने वाला है वहां, वो समझ के एक अच्छा कुशन ऑफ ब्लड यहाँ रेडी होता है. ठीक है, एंड ऑल दिस इज रेगुलेटेड with the help of the hormones. Okay, so as I explained to you, this is the uterus, and inside the uterus there is a nice cushion of blood that is formed. I explained to you, this is right ovary and the left ovary. So every month what happens? One follicle, that is one egg, matures either from the right ovary or from the left ovary. One egg matures and it is waiting here in the fallopian tube for fertilization. Okay, when there is no fertilization, okay, when there is no fertilization, there is no formation of baby, what happens? This cushion of blood which is formed for the embryo is not required. Okay, so it waits. Since it is not required, it is removed from the body, it is flushed out from the body, and this is nothing but menses. It is not removed in one shot. ऐसे एक बार में नहीं निकलता है. It gradually empties. This is called as the endometrium. Okay, so this shedding of the endometrium gradually happens over a period of 2 days or 4 days or 5 days. Now, when this shedding of endometrium is happening, it causes contraction of the uterus. Uterus ऐसा contract होके फिर खुलता है, फिर वो धीरे धीरे ब्लड जो एंडोमेट्रियम है वो निकल जाता है बाहर. ठीक है, एंड दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कॉजेस पेन, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव पेन इन द स्टमक एंड पेन इन द बैक व्हेन वी हैव आवर पीरियड्स. ओके, सो ये जो प्रोसेस है, इट हैपेंस एवरी मंथ. एवरी मंथ आइदर राइट ओवरी या लेफ्ट ओवरी एक फॉलिकल मैच्योर हो जाएगा. इट इज वेटिंग इन द फैलोपियन ट्यूब फॉर फर्टिलाइजेशन. फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है so that endometrium is not required, वो shed off हो जाता है. It repeats every month, that's why it is called as the menstrual cycle. Okay, so another reason why we are not very happy ये period आ गया, every time we say now agitate asa, we make a small face, now agitate asa. Why? Because of the physical aspect related to the period, that is pain, discomfort. Some girls have this nausea, vomiting sensation and all. Okay, but whatever it is, we can take care. Okay, कभी कभी just थोड़ा सा rest लेने से ये pain कम हो जाता है. Sometimes some girls may have to take tablets. Please consult your doctor, and there is no harm in taking one tablet just once in a month in case the pain is very bad. Okay, so there is no point in missing your most important days of school or missing your extracurricular activities. It is safe the tablets, there's one tablet called Meftal Fast, but you can consult your doctor. डॉक्टर को बता के पूछ के वो टैबलेट कभी कभी खा सकते हैं, उसका लॉन्ग टर्म साइड इफेक्ट कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ, लेकिन लोगों ने बताया गया है की ना अशें हे टॅबलेट खाल्ल्यार पिरियडचे त्रास जाता, मागीर भुरगे जावपाक त्रास जाता, एंड ऑल द स्टोरीज आर, बट दिस इज कंप्लिटली रॉंग. आमी 2-2 लिटर खूब बरें पिता तेन्ना कांयच चिंतिना हेच्यातून पेस्टिसायड आसा. आमी चिप्साचे व्हडले व्हडले 20-20 रुपयाचे पॅकेट बरें करून खाता तेन्ना सायड इफेक्ट चिंतना, पण एक धाकटेशें टॅबलेट घेवचे पयलीं आमी 10 फावटी चिंतता ना सायड इफेक्ट. Okay, so there's no side effect with that one single tablet. It will improve the quality of your life during that 1 or 2 days. So please consult your doctor and take the tablet. So most of the times, पेट दर्द can be taken care by hot water fomentation. थोड़ा rest area. So next day you can get back to your routine. Now this is interesting. Now I want all of you to be a little awake and alert. ओके ना हमने बहुत कुछ सुना है ना पिरियडच्या टायमार हे करप जायना, थंय वचप जायना, अशें करप जायना. सो आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग की द एरियाज व्हाट यू लिव, द एरियाज यू ऑल कम फ्रॉम, हर एक गांव में अलग अलग ट्रेडिशंस, अलग अलग सोच है. आई वांट यू ऑल टू टेल मी, आई वांट यू ऑल टू शेयर विद मी व्हाट आर द मिसकंसेप्शंस या व्हाट आर द ट्रेडिशंस दैट यू ऑल आर फॉलोइंग ड्यूरिंग पीरियड्स. ओके, लेट्स एनालाइज. हम लोगों ने बायोलॉजिकली देखा है पीरियड्स क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, एंड व्हाई द पीरियड्स आर हैपनिंग. सो लेट्स एनालाइज, लेट्स थिंक लॉजिकली, एंड लेट्स सी वेदर इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, इट इज नेसेसरी दैट वी शुड फॉलो ऑल दोज ट्रेडिशंस नाउ, और इट इज हाई टाइम दैट वी मेक चेंजेस एंड वी मे स्टॉप फॉलोइंग दोज. ओके, सो क्या क्या हम लोग सुनते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए पीरियड के टाइम पे, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Yes, that's a good thing. So, मम्मी ने बोला, मौसी ने बोला, दादी ने बोला, नानी ने बोला, keep yourself clean during the periods. That is cheap. Okay, but we have been told not to do so many things, na? What our parents have told? किती करपाचें नसता. हाँ, देवळाकडे वचपाचें नसता. In one corner. Okay, so we'll देवळाकडे वचपाचें नसता. We will talk about it in the end. Okay, sit in one corner. कोणाक सांगपाचें नसता. Okay, last. कसले उदी? हाँ, 3 days. तिसरे थर्ड डे नाल्या उपरांत भायर वचपाचें. करेक्ट? Okay. Then हाँ, आपल्या बेडीवर न्हिदपाचें ना, सेपरेट न्हिदपाचें. We discuss only what are the things that we are following at home. We have got many things. आमी कितें फॉलो करतात. फर्स्ट पिरियड जातकूच आमी कोण कोण गांवाकडे वयता आनी 10 दीस 15 दीस एक म्हयनोभर स्कुलाक येयना. Many girls, no, they just disappeared and they did not come. आणि कितें फॉलो करता. We don't touch the Quran, we don't go to the temple. आणि yes, we don't go to the temples. आणि लोणचे बिणचे आणि कितें पॅडार सोडप गेल्यार अशें जाता, तशें जाता. पूजा करप ना, गोड खावं नाका. आणि कितें एनीथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग? Any interesting story? We will see, we'll correlate and see logically whether we should continue or we should stop. Over? No interesting stories? Okay, we'll start. We'll start with गोड खावप नसता पिरियडच्या टायमार. कितें जातलें गोड खाल्ल्यार? पोटान दुखता? Okay, so many say लोणचें खावप ना, तेलाचें खावप ना. Okay, to some extent on the first day we can follow, because first day for first few hours most of the girls feel very there's a lot of discomfort, pot dukta, vomiting sensation jata, loose motion jata. So when you eat food is usually with lots of fat. Okay, so when you eat sweets or you eat spicy or you eat lonche, and discomfort vadta. Okay, but at this age, I don't get any discomfort. I am very comfortable. Maka kalan period can I can eat. But suppose if she is getting a lot of pain and discomfort, then she should avoid. She should avoid spicy. She should avoid oily food. Once she is okay with it, she is comfortable. She can eat everything because, as I said, it is not related to the bleeding. From where the bleeding is coming? Bleeding is the endometrium which is formed long back. Anyway, it has to go. When लोणचे खाल्ले when गोड खाल्ले म्हणून ते bleeding stop जातले नाले heavy जातले no bleeding will be the same bleeding with लोणचे you eat gold it will be the same understood okay then आणि कितें खंय वचप ना सायडीक बसपाचें so in initial in earlier generation in olden days what it was that there was no pad there was no facility wherein the menstrual, what do we do? How do we absorb the menstrual blood? We either use a sanitary napkin or a pad or else cloth. Okay, in olden days, even cloth was prohibited. There was no sanitary napkin, and the life was slow. We didn't have to go to office. We didn't have to go to work. We didn't have to come to the school. The lady used to do a lot of hard work throughout the month, and those 3-4 days were the only time that she used to get a lot of rest. Okay. So in those days, it was okay for the lady to sit in one corner of the room because there was no pad. What she would do, blood would flow everywhere. No, she would roam here and there. So she was asked to sit in one corner, sleep separately. Those were all hygienic precautions taken during that time. Okay, but now school assignment. What it teaches is, 4 days my period school you all will be happy. Principal may not be happy. Okay, so what if I say that? My period as 4 days my clinic is closed. Okay, what if I tell the patient that 4 days you might come doctor I can't tell you how to touch my period as how to touch is that okay? No, it is not okay. Okay. So in this generation, with our change in lifestyle, there are so many things that it is high time we need not follow because there is no logical explanation, no reason. Earlier days, there were reasons. Most of the things were done for hygiene, for cleanliness, and they were applicable in those days. These days, we need not follow. Now, coming to the what else? I will talk about the religious aspect in the end. First day. So there are some cultures, some traditions who make the girl have bath all 5 days head bath. Okay, some traditions say 4th day head bath, some traditions say 3rd day head bath. Okay, so again they were all done for hygienic this only. But again I would say that see we are in Goa, we are in a place like Goa where there is much of sweating. We are busy with our extracurricular activities, dancing karta, karate karta, sports karta, and we are sweating. Just imagine if we don't have bath for 3 days, it is so unhygienic. So we should have bath, whether it is head bath or a body bath, bath is important. And again, whether you have head bath on first day, third day, it will not affect your hair or periods in any way. So whatever, if suppose first day of my periods, I have had too much of running around, I am sweating, I feel like having a head bath, I should be having a head bath. I should not be saying that it is my first day. Suppose if I have head bath, माझे सगळे केस वळखले नाले माझे period आणि उलटा-पुलटा जातले असे काहीच नाही. There is no scientific explanation of losing hair or having hair or irregularity of periods and bath. Bath is a must. Whether you have your periods or you don't have your periods, 2 baths in a day in your age for this climate is very, very important. Okay. Now, coming to the most interesting topic of whether you can enter a temple, do the puja, and or touch the Quran or not touch the Quran. Okay. I want you to understand that period is nothing impure. Period मतलब कोई नापाक चीज नहीं है. Okay. If that is period म्हणजे अशुद्ध नाम. Okay. I am Shuddha all 30 days of the month. I am equally Shuddha. My mind is equally Shuddha even in those 4 days. Okay, it is just a process that is happening in my body. I want just this message to be imprinted in your mind. Whether you physically go into the temple or you don't go into the temple, it is not important. Okay, whether you physically touch the Quran or don't touch the Quran, that is not important. What is important is your thought process. अगर मैं खुद सोचने लगी अरे बाप रे मैं नापाक हूँ मैं ये कैसे करूँ मैं नापाक हूँ मैं इसको कैसे हाथ लगाऊँ मैं ये कैसे करूँ then it is all over. Okay, as a sign of respect to the society, as a sign of respect to my parents, as a sign of respect to my family, I can choose that I will not touch, I will not go enter the temple premises. I will choose that I will not touch the Quran. But in my mind, I should know that I am Pak. Is that clear? So now with this concept, you decide whether you would like to go in the temple, whether you would like to touch the Quran or not touch the Quran, that you decide. Alright? Now, for my generation, I am way ahead. Okay, I go to the temple. I do a lot of things which we are not supposed to do. Suppose by this, but because again I'm many generations behind. The script is still there. I still don't have the courage to touch the idol God. But I have a friend who has daughters and who has completely removed that script from their mind, and those girls perform the puja also during the periods. Okay, so that time will come, it will come in future. And is it, but what is important is not, I mean, I'm not here to bring a revolution and say, no, from today all of you all can do anything. I'm here to give the message that period is nothing dirty, nothing impure, nothing unhygienic, nothing bad that is happening to us. It's a beautiful natural phenomena, and we should all welcome it with a smile. This is the most important message that you all have to keep in your mind. After that, you have to take a decision how you would like to go about in your lives. Clear? Okay. So this program we call it as menstrual hygiene management. Okay, and you all have to run this program in your school. क्या करना है इस प्रोग्राम में? Okay, इस प्रोग्राम के द्वारा आप लोगों को अवेयरनेस बढ़ाना है, पॉजिटिविटी टुवर्ड्स पीरियड बढ़ाना है, आपको छोटे क्लासेस के गर्ल्स बॉयज को सिखाना है. यू नीड नॉट हैव प्रेफर्ड दैट डायग्राम एंड इधर से इधर आता है एंड ऑल दैट, कुछ नहीं है. सिर्फ आपको सिंपल वर्ड में बताना है कि पीरियड्स मतलब ऐसे ऐसे होता है, यहाँ से ब्लड आता है, ब्लड विल कम फॉर 3 to 5 days. Be prepared for your periods. You don't have to get scared. That's the only message that you have to give, and keep yourself clean. Okay? How to wear a pad, where to throw a pad, how to discard a pad. The basic simple things. So we need lot of students. Okay, students, young girls like you. Now there are about, say, even if there are 40, 9 standard, how many girls are there? Say approximately 30. Out of 30, even if say 8 of them are ready, are willing to talk about this topic, there's nothing like it. You all will go to the younger classes and talk to them. You all will take the help of teachers. Okay, so we will need 2-3 teachers, and we'll call them as MHM teachers, and the girls will be MHM leaders. Okay, and what they have to do, have a small presentation or just note down what you need to talk to the girls, and go once the school starts next year, go and talk to the girls. That's it. Okay, then we also will include the parents, क्योंकि क्या होगा, मैं अभी आपको बता रही हूँ ये करना चाहिए, ये गलत है, ये सही है, ये all that. लेकिन आप लोग घर जाएंगे और ये सब उनके सामने बोलेंगे तो वो लोग क्या, how are they going to react? तुझे तू शहाणपणा तुझ्याकडे कर, आमच्याकडे असल्याच झालं ना, आमच्या गावात देव कडक असा. Okay, so we need to convince the parents also. Okay, so involve the parents if possible. Again, talk to the parents and little changes. सामके तुम्ही घरा वचून असे सांगले ना आज अचानक हांव देवळान वयतले, it will not happen. It has to be a gradual process. You have to convince your parents very gradually. Okay, and most important, see, whether you go to the temple or not go to the temple is not important. What is more important is the change that you need to bring in the way you are thinking about periods. You bring out that change, then all the other changes will come out very automatically. Okay, so involve the parents. Again, not just for removing the negativity, but involve the parents so that in the school we have to make sure that देयर इज अ प्रॉपर फैसिलिटी फॉर हैंड वॉशिंग। ओके, अभी तो कोविड की वजह से सब लोग सैनिटाइजर और हैंड वॉश सब लोगों ने रखा है, बट थिंक 1 year बैक हैंड वॉश था हमारे बाथरूम, स्कूल के बाथरूम में नहीं था। सो वन स्कूल स्टार्ट्स, इन्वॉल्व द पेरेंट्स, clear funds, whatever, or ask people to donate hand washes, soaps, and make sure that the soap is enough amount of water, because it is our right. According to UNICEF, each girl should have an access to water for hand washing and keeping herself clean. Each girl has a right for changing, should have a proper area to change the sanitary napkin or the absorbent material. एक अगर कपड़ा यूज कर रहे हैं, उस कपड़ा चेंज करने के लिए अच्छी प्राइवेट जगह होनी चाहिए. That is basically a good washroom, a good toilet, and enough amount of water to wash your hand. Okay. So what is the advantage of having this MHM team in each and every school is you feel supported. समझो अगर यही चीज if it had happened if you were in fifth standard and कोई teacher, कोई parent, कोई senior तुम्हारी आके तुमको बोलती थी तो कैसा लगता था? would have been very nice, no? जो fear है, जो डरती है, वो सब अगर fifth standard में निकल जाता था, you would have been so happy for 5 years, है ना? So let's bring that environment in the school. You feel supported. You will not be ashamed and embarrassed, etc. Okay, you will know your body very well. You will know and you will accept the changes that are happening in your body. So whether you have your periods or don't have your periods, as I said, hand washing is very important. Having a good proper bath twice a day is very important. Now about the pad. Okay, make sure before you open now these. Most of the pads either come in such packets or individual pads. But before using any pad, make sure you clean your hands properly. क्योंकि अगर गंदे हाथ से पैड निकाल के you wear it, there is a chance, there is a possibility of sending that infection down in the pelvic area. So wash your hands properly. फिर इसमें से पैड निकालो. Fourth, because you all are 9th and 10th standard, you all are already having your periods. I am not opening this and showing you how to use a pad. But normally for 5th standard, 6th standard, we show how to remove the packet. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने जब फर्स्ट टाइम पैड पहना था, किधर गया था पैड? कभी ऊपर जाता था, कभी पीछे जाता था, है ना? बिकॉज वी डिडंट नो पैड कैसे लगाना है. कभी हम लोग खड़े रह के लगाते थे, फिर बाद में पता चला नहीं, पहले अंडरगारमेंट को जो अंडरवेयर है उसको पहले पैड चिपका, फिर अंडरगारमेंट पहना. किसी ने एक्सप्लेन करके बोला था? नहीं, खाली हमको बोला हाँ ये पहन लो. कैसे पहनना है? So it will be nice if you all can just demonstrate also. Demonstrate करके अगर दिखा सकते, remove this, put it, स्टिकर निकालो. कभी कभी हम लोग स्टिकर के साथ भी पहन लिया, फिर वो इधर उधर चला गया, फिर पूरा स्टेन्स आ गया ड्रेस पे. हुआ है कि नहीं ऐसा? है ना? बहुत बार हुआ है, सबके साथ हुआ है, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी ने बताया नहीं कि पीछे स्टिकर रहता है. ओके, सो स्टिकर कैसा निकालना है, कैसे चिपकाना है, कहाँ से कहाँ तक अगर बराबर से चिपकाएंगे तो पीछे नहीं लगेगा, बाहर नहीं लगेगा. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली चेंजिंग. ओके, we will see all big advertises whisper 8 घंटा टेंशन फ्री और 12 घंटा टेंशन फ्री. ओके, रात को you can become tension free, but day time please do not use extra long pads and make sure you change the pads every 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. पैड चेंज करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंगस को वहाँ वो लोग पार्टी करने लगेंगे अगर 6-7 घंटे से ऊपर आप वो पैड को रखेंगे. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी क्रूशल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी वेयर we can get bacterial, fungal, viral infections. So it is important that you change the pad. So use regular quality cotton pads, cotton cover pads. वो जल्दी सोप हो जाता है. चेंज एवरी 4 to 5 years. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव पैड यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं. बेसिक जो 2-3 रुपए में पैड आता है, 3 और 4 रुपीज़ में एक पैड आता है, यू कैन यूज दैट एंड मेक श्योर यू चेंज. अगर इफ यू आर यूजिंग अ क्लॉथ, अगेन मेक श्योर कि वो क्लॉथ का कपड़ा कॉटन होना चाहिए, सूती क्लॉथ. या साड़ी का मटेरियल हो सकता है या दुपट्टे का हो सकता है, पुराने दुपट्टे का. मेक श्योर यू वॉश नाइसली, try it in the hot sun and then use. अगर कपड़ा यूज कर रहे हैं तो रूल सेम है, हर 4 to 5 आवर्स में कपड़ा भी चेंज करना है, अच्छे से वॉश करके धूप में सुखाना है. और 3-4 महीने से ज़्यादा तक वो कपड़ा यूज़ नहीं करना है। वही कपड़ा आप 4 महीने तक यूज़ करो, बाद में वो कपड़ा फेंक दो, ठीक है। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू थ्रो। प्लीज डू नॉट शेयर द क्लॉथ। नाउ वी आर लकी दैट गोवा में हमारे पेरेंट्स मोस्टली, यहाँ पॉवर्टी ज़्यादा नहीं है, गरीबी ज़्यादा नहीं है, पेरेंट्स अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं हमको पैड देने के लिए। बट अदर प्लेसेस parents cannot afford to give their children sanitary napkins. So you have to use cloth. और क्लॉथ वो भी एक कॉमन कपड़ा रखा जाता है, वही कपड़ा सब बहनें वही कपड़ा यूज करेंगी और माँ भी सब वही कपड़ा यूज करेगी। सो नो शेयरिंग द क्लॉथ। ओके, अगर तुम्हारा वाला कपड़ा यू हैव डिसाइडेड कि ब्लू वाला मेरा कपड़ा है तो मैं ब्लू यूज करूँगी, तुम पिंक यूज करना, ठीक है। इट हैज टू बी सेपरेट, नो शेयरिंग द क्लॉथ। Then hand washing very important. Before using the pad, wash the hand, wear the pad. After you are changed, वो जो पैड फेंकने के बाद again wash your hands properly. कहाँ फेंकना है पैड? You will see. You have a machine in the bathroom. Instant a machine.
Yes.
You have. It is functioning.
Yeah.
Working.
Yeah.
Okay. Important, along with your other clothes, your undergarments also have to be dried in sunlight. Sunlight में क्यों सुखाना है? Just another 5-10 minutes more. Sunlight में क्यों सुखाना है कपड़ों को, undergarments को? Sorry? Germs, हाँ, very good. Everybody is attentive. नहीं तो हम लोग को रट्टा मारने की इतनी आदत है. One of the schools where I went, the moment they got sunlight, they said vitamin D. So not everything needs vitamin D because sunlight is very good. It kills all the germs and bacteria. So just like the way we dry this in the sunlight, it is important that you dry your undergarments also. नहीं तो most of the time हम लोग undergarment किसी कोने में डालेंगे, फिर उसके ऊपर और एक कपड़ा डालेंगे, छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं. It has to have sunlight. Okay. If you are using a cloth, make sure that that also dries in the sunlight. कैसे डिस्पोज करना है सैनिटरी नैपकिन को? आइदर डस्टबिन में अच्छे से कुछ कवर करके डाल सकते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली गोवा देयर इज नो स्पेशल डिस्पोजिंग सिस्टम फॉर सैनिटरी नैपकिन, तो इट गोज इन द गार्बेज ओनली. जो हम लोग गार्बेज कचरा, ड्राई वेट कचरा डालते हैं उसी में डालना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. सो जिनके घर में आगे पीछे जलाने के लिए जगह है, बर्न कर सकते हैं. जगह है, डिग करके उसमें उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. इट मे नॉट बी 100% इको फ्रेंडली थिंग, बट एटलीस्ट दैट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स. इंस्टेड ऑफ ऐसी रास्ते के ऊपर फेंका, उससे अच्छा है कि खुद अपना पैड जलाओ, ठीक है. देन कुछ भी हो, प्लीज डू नॉट थ्रो सैनिटरी नैपकिन इन द टॉयलेट और कमोड, इट विल गेट ब्लॉक्ड. ओके. Then we have this kind of machine in schools, colleges, institutions, that is called as the incinerator machine. So it works on a very simple principle that it just burns the pads. Okay. So if you have one in your school, put it. When you put in the pad in the machine, make sure that you don't wrap it in the newspaper. You put it directly. There is a button. Just press the button. Pad जल जाएगा. ठीक है. Again, involve the parents, involve the teachers in this MHM, so that we make sure that the machine is functioning. So many times, so many clubs are not donate the machine, but nobody is in charge, nobody bothers to see whether the machine is working or not. So it is the responsibility of the girls. If it is not working, complain to the principal, teacher, or the parent, and make sure that it gets repaired. Okay. Then many schools have vending machine also. मशीन जिसमें पैड्स रखे जाते हैं, 5 रुपए का कॉइन डालो और नया पैड. इन केस यू हैव दैट, वो आप यूज कर सकते हो. अगर नहीं है तो भी वन ऑफ द टीचर्स कैन टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड कीप सम पैड्स फ्रॉम द PTA funds. You can buy one packet and keep, so that the girl doesn't undergo that embarrassment of, oh my god, I got my period, is all wet, and whom should I ask? So when you're doing the session in 4th, 5th, 6th standard, tell the girls that so and so teacher has sanitary napkins, or so and so office or staff room sanitary napkins are kept in case you see blood. Please go and again for the elder girls, so that the girls don't take advantage that napkins free of cost will get it. So keep a small cost if you want. Initial, the first period and all, you can give it free. But later, because now it is responsibility of the girls to be responsible and keep a track of when their periods are put down. They should not take it for granted that teacher will give and I'll take it from her. So when these girls will ask for a pad, you can charge 5 rupees. But when the younger girls, when they get their first period, do not charge this bill. But make sure and create awareness and tell the girl that don't get scared, you don't have to run home. Wear the pad, sit in one room, relax, drink water, you will feel good. And then when the bus comes, you go home. And that's most of the time what we have done when we got a period. Maka bhai dista, mummy ga, papa ga, काम करा वही period illa kara. No need to go home. Okay, so that first period is very very crucial, and it's a memory that you're gonna have throughout your life. है ना याद है ना first period हुआ तब कैसे हुआ. So let's try to create positive memory of that first period for those little girls. हमारा तो अभी गया, हमारा negative memory है वो she period. So let's try to create that positive impression about the first period for those little girls who are in 5th, 6th standard. Ready? Okay. You all will do that? Yes. Very good. Okay. So, nutrition in adolescence. We are growing, as I said. हमारी height grow हो रही है, बाल अच्छे हो रहे हैं. There are changes in our reproductive system also. So nutrition is very very important. There is high demand for calcium. There is high demand for iron. तो सब कुछ खाना चाहिए. You already know क्या खाना चाहिए, but आ जाता. So green leafy vegetables, calcium के लिए दूध, dairy products. Okay, match में all this is very important. I will not repeat because you all already know. Okay. Then light should go on during periods. Okay. School should not stop. Your extracurricular activities, dancing, sports should not stop because of periods. You can skip, you can do cycling, you can do skipping. You should be going to school also during periods. So there is nothing that you should not do during periods. You can do everything during periods. You can even swim during periods, but there is a particular method for which you have to adopt to swim. So there is nothing that you cannot do. You can do everything during periods. So as I said, together we can bring this change. As I said that teacher in charge will be MHM teacher, MHM leaders, because the girls will understand better when with the peers. So one girl telling another girl, they understand and they discuss their problems better than a teacher talking to them. So if we can have this MHM team, there is nothing like it. So we end with this and wish you a very happy menses and take good care of yourselves. If you have time, 1 or 2 minutes, we can take 1 or 2 questions, or else if you all are getting late, we can find out. Any questions? नहीं? 4 हो गए? 1 hour के 4 हो गए? Exactly 1 hour. Now question now. I can see some question marks, but you all are hesitating to ask. No questions? भूख लागली? जरा उठ जाए. If teachers have any questions, they can ask.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Doctor.
very good. What's your name? Huh?
Pinky.
Pinky, give a big hand to Pinky first. Okay, Pinky, what's your question? वेरी गुड. सो हाँ क्वेश्चन है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि पैर के ऊपर कुत्ता गया या और कुछ स्नेक गया, ये गया तो हमारा हाइट नहीं बढ़ेगा, हमारा पीरियड. फिर इतना तक बोलते हैं कि बच्चे नहीं होंगे. पॅड के ऊपर कुछ साप सरप वयता तेन्ना कितें जाता, फुल्ले जायना. अशें आयकलां न्हू आमी. सो अशें कित्याक म्हणटा, बिकॉज हमको आदत हो गई है कि जब तक फियर नहीं डालेंगे, जब तक डर नहीं डालेंगे, हमारे दिमाग में बात घुसती नहीं है. जब तक टीचर नहीं बोलेंगे कि पनिशमेंट, होमवर्क करो नहीं तो पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, तब तक हम लोग होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं. अभी अब टीचर आपको हाथ भी नहीं लगा सकते, पहले तो हम लोग को बहुत मार पड़ती थी, वो मार के डर से हम लोग अपना पढ़ाई कर लेते थे, अभी ये बेचारे आपको हाथ ही नहीं लगा सकते, तो डर नहीं चाहिए। सो हम लोगों का साइकोलॉजी है, जब तक हम लोगों को डर नहीं देता है कोई, तब तक हम लोगों के दिमाग में नहीं आता, हम लोग फॉलो नहीं करते। ओके, सो एक्चुअली scientifically it is not true that if a snake goes over the pad इधर है, एंडोमेट्रियम इधर है, पैड उधर कोने में गया है, एंडोमेट्रियम और ओव्यूलेशन फॉलिकल क्या रिलेशन है? नथिंग। ओके, बट द ट्रूथ इज दैट वी शुड नॉट बी डिस्कार्डिंग द पैड लाइक दैट। ऐसी जगह हम लोग को फेंकना नहीं चाहिए जहाँ सांप जा रहा है या जहाँ कुत्ता उठा के लेके जाएगा। So we should take care of our pets. Okay, we should take responsibility of our sanitary napkin. ऐसे उसको डिस्पोज करो जहाँ आपको पता है कि डायरेक्ट वो गार्बेज कलेक्ट करने वाला लेके जाएगा और डंप करेगा ठीक से, या खुद उसको चलाओ या वो मशीन में डालो। सो दिस इज जस्ट फॉर यू टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ डिस्पोजिंग योर ओन। अभी आजकल रीयूजेबल पैड्स भी आते हैं, कपड़े के पैड्स आते हैं, ऐसे शेप अच्छे से कपड़े का ही शेप है, तो वॉश करो और रीयूज करो, वो भी ठीक है, ठीक है। तो एटलीस्ट वो कम से कम उसके ऊपर कुछ कुत्ता बिल्ली कुछ नहीं जाएगा। कपड़ा यूज करो, नो प्रॉब्लम, वॉश करो, रीयूज करो, क्योंकि सैनिटरी नैपकिन एक ऐसा वेस्ट हो गया है, इट इज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स देयर इज सो मच ऑफ प्लास्टिक इन इट दैट इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क। व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डिस्पोज द सैनिटरी नैपकिन इज अगेन अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क। Once you grow up, menstrual cup, which you all must have heard of, that is also one very good option. It takes a little time to learn how to use it. So initially, once or twice, first time you can just go to a gynecologist, ask her which, she will do a gynec examination and tell you the size of the cup that you should be using. And once you start using cup, there's nothing like it. Like the headache of changing 5, 5, 6 pads in a day, that headache is gone. So menstrual cup is a very good option for adults, like about 18, 19, usually up to marriage. It's good because you learn to insert. You have to learn to insert it yourself. So for heavy bleeding women, menstrual cup is one of the best option, wherein it is not just good environment-wise because we are saving on that 10, 15 packet pads. We are saving on that. The environment is saved, cost is saved, and plus the local irritation that happens while using pads continuously, health-wise is also it's very safe. But for young girls, because the cup goes inside the vagina, so you have to get used to wearing it. It takes a little time, that's all. So for young girls, it's only pad, cloth, or a pad that is made of cloth.
Okay, doctor. Sometimes we see that some ladies take tablets to postpone their periods.
Yeah.
Is it okay, safe?
So these are hormonal tablets. Okay, they act on the ovulation part of it. Okay, they act on the ovulation and the endometrial part of it. It's not advisable for girls below the age of 18, 19 to take these tablets. It's okay, as I said, periods मतलब कोई नापाक चीज़ नहीं है. Maximum, I mean, practically work out some things, but do not take tablets at least till the age of 18, 19. After that, you can take. They don't have any permanent side effects as such, but they are hormones. Okay, so they may not act very well for the younger age group, but elder age group, 1 or 2 cycles might get disturbed, but they are not harmful as such on a long term. You can take it, but not for the girls.
Thank you.
Somebody was asking a question. पूछो। देखिए जाओ। ओके, सो हांवें कितें सांगलां तुमकां पोटान कितें दुखता पिरियडाच्या टायमार युट्रस कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट जाता. युट्रस फाटल्यान आसा आनी पोट स्टमक इन दिस सायड एंड ऑल्सो दिस सायड. सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सपिरियन्स बोथ. भूकय लागता, एसिडिटी जाता आनी केन्ना केन्ना भूक लागता म्हणून आमी खाता आनी मागीर केन्ना केन्ना वॉमिटिंग सेन्सेशन बी जाता. सो केन्ना केन्ना एक्सपिरियन्स जायना, केन्ना केन्ना एक्सपिरियन्स नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, बिकॉज when there is pain you can't think of anything else. एक्झाम आसता तेन्ना तुका भूक लागता ना, एक्झाम आसता तेन्ना सगळें विसरता. तशेंच when your body is Is he concentrating on something or the other feelings go off?
वो अभी बताया मैंने। हाँ, तो अब ये लड़कियों को वो टैबलेट नहीं खाना चाहिए, एडल्ट औरत भी खा सकती है वो टैबलेट, ऐसा कुछ उसका लॉन्ग टर्म साइड इफेक्ट कुछ नहीं है। नहीं सुना नहीं दिया था, लड़कियों को वो पोस्टपोन प्रीपोन का टैबलेट नहीं खाना है। ओके, अप टू द एज ऑफ 18 डू नॉट टेक दोस टैबलेट्स, ठीक है? एनीथिंग एल्स? डन? बैकअप? भूख लगा? ओके,
Okay, so my question is what is white discharge? What is white discharge? Okay, so just like the way we have a little mucus in our nose, just like the way we have little tears in our eyes, ये इसका फंक्शन क्या है? म्यूकस का फंक्शन क्या है? प्रोटेक्टिव एक्शन है, एयर फिल्टर करता है, अगर बैक्टीरिया डस्ट पार्टिकल्स वगैरह वो सब एब्जॉर्ब करता है, so this has a protective. Tears, what is the function of the tears? That also has a protective mechanism. Similarly, a little bit of white discharge has a protective mechanism. Okay, again to protect the entry of any bacteria, virus from entering in the uterus. Okay, but if this white discharge, okay, it's slightly whitish to watery discharge. Again, this discharge increases after periods, say around 12-13 day period थोड़ा सा हल्का white discharge बढ़ता है, बाद में वापस white discharge कम हो जाता है. As long as it is little whitish watery, it is normal. As long as it is just little, it is normal. अगर वो white discharge creamish हो जाता है या yellowish हो जाता है, then you need to go and meet your doctor and tell your doctor कि ऐसे हो रहा है. अगर वो white discharge को smell आ रहा है ज़्यादा, अगर वो discharge को के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा itching हो रहा है in your groin pelvic part, then you need to go and consult your doctor and find out. So कब ये itching और creamish हो जाता है या when it starts smelling, that means it is a sign of some kind of an infection. So that infection needs to be treated. But if it is just a little white, little watery to whitish and just थोड़ा सा quantity है which is just sticking to your undergarment, nothing to be worried. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा discharge हो रहा है और undergarment बार बार change करने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, then that means there is some kind of an infection. So you go and meet your doctor, then your doctor will guide and tell you what medicines to be taken. Okay? Clear?
All aware that menstruation is a phenomenon unique to the women. But menstruation and menstrual practices are still clouded by taboos and social cultural restrictions, resulting in adolescent girls remaining ignorant of the scientific facts and hygienic health practices, which results in adverse health outcomes. Today, our guest speaker, Dr. Sandhya Kadam, has truly been successful in bringing forth various issues related to menstruation before our students. On behalf of the entire fraternity of Janata High School, I sincerely thank Dr. Sandhya Kadam for her commendable efforts in conducting such an interesting, informative and interactive session for our girl students. Doctor, your session has been an eye-opener for our girls. I assure you that your session has given our girls a complete and accurate knowledge about the menstrual practices, which will definitely help them remove their ignorance of personal hygiene during their menses. Last but not the least, I will say, I am sure that our girls will definitely develop a positive approach towards menstruation henceforth and accept it with a smile and keep their lives going.